I'm gonna try and make my own metallic mixative for alcohol inks. Basically, a DIY for something like this Rich Gold Pinata Color by Jacquard. Keep watching and see if it's an amazing success or an epic fail. This is SezCreate. Thanks for watching. So I found this great video by Edna Wargon that shows the method I followed, except one ingredient. That video is linked in my description box, so after you watch this, please go check it out. These are the materials that are needed. That empty bottle that you saw before, a scoopy thing, the end of a spoon I have there. You also need isopropyl alcohol. I use 99% isopropyl alcohol. That's the best. So you also need a little funnel. I made this one out of plastic. I'm so proud. Dancing fingers. I didn't have the same makeup powder that Edna used in her video, so I used this metallic powder in copper. It was really beautiful, so I thought I'd give it a go. Basically, all you had to do was put the powder, I put about 2 scoops into the empty bottle, and then you get it all pushed down in there, and then you add your isopropyl alcohol. Probably about double the amount of powder is what I used for my mixture. So of course, after that, just put the lid on there and give it a good shake. I was really amped to give it a try. I tried it out with blue ink, and I also tried it with a red ink. As soon as I put it on the paper, it looked amazing. I was really excited. Look at this! Look at the shine, look at the shimmer. How could I go wrong, right? Obviously, I was very excited. Ooh, more dancing fingers, why not? I chose this dish. I thought, I'll try a little dish. This is actually my sister's. She keeps this on her dresser and she keeps her makeup pads in there. They fit just perfect. Personally, I think she should just keep socks in there. Look, it's perfect fit. It's wonderful, beautiful. All right, enough of that. So here it is, my magic potion, my copper, and my dust blower. I was ready to rock and roll. I got the dish all done. I have a little portion of that in speedy version of video. I did the whole thing and it turned out really nice. I filmed the whole thing, and if you want, I can post that process video. It's quite relaxing, maybe just with some music and just watching how to go through with doing that. So yeah, just let me know in the comments below if you would like to see the full video of me painting this little dish. I think it might be worth watching because look how good this turned out. Oh, I was so happy with my new magic copper mixture. It looked amazing. And another really good point was that, hey, the socks fit perfect. Okay, so anyways, I went ahead and I sealed it with what I normally use, and look what it did! Boo! Boo! It wrecked it. Whatever was in that metallic powder didn't like my sealant. So, epic fail. Don't do what I did. Go to Edna's video and do what she does. You live and you learn, right? Either way. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you feel so inclined, please subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!